here helping the 512 Foundation. They're a great organization that provides weekend meals for kids that are on meal plans in schools. So we're doing 2,800 meals that are then going to be delivered to schools all along the Wasatch Front for kids that need food on the weekends. This group is just really important to us because they really support the things that we like to value, that we are important to us, and that is education. When a child has the food that they need and their tummies are full, then they're able to actually come to school and learn and grow. And education is the heart of what we do at Ternot. And so that's really the kind of group that we like to support, is anything to do with education. Want to contribute to 512, you can go, they have a Venmo account, just look up 512 Foundation. They have an Instagram you can follow. Also look at organizations in your local area that do similar things, that work with meal plan. I know No Kid Hungry is an international organization that does similar things as well.